I'll give him a checkup. I'm gonna check your ears, check your eyes, find out how much you grow. Time for your checkup, gonna listen to your heartbeat, fix you up, ready to go. Time for your checkup, it's okay if you giggle, I will only tickle a little. Time for your checkup, time for your checkup. Let's look at your throat. Did somebody poison you? Batman, I have something that you need to drink. He is all better. See you guys next time. Bye.
Click the picture to watch more videos and don't forget to subscribe.